I'm starting to compost again. And look what I got right here. I got a few things, just kind of threw them together real quick. Well, I've been saving a few things for a little while. But just to show you some quick things just from around the house that you can, set aside and compost. Put in your compost, right? Well, empty toilet paper rolls, perfectly compostable. Used tea bags, absolutely perfectly compostable. These things, I forget what you call these things. Yeah, I'm gonna get off there. These things that you get at fast food restaurants, cup holders. All they are, they're just compressed paper, probably made from recycled paper anyway. Those things are perfectly compostable. Did I forget anything? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Coffee grounds, absolutely compostable. And worms, earthworms, love coffee grounds. So if you have coffee grounds in your compost, then that will attract the earthworms to come and help you to make good dirt. Because the earthworms eat stuff and poop out good worm poop, which turns into really good stuff for the gardens. Not only that, but there are a lot of plants that really like a whole lot of plants that really like the nitrogen from the used coffee grounds. And one plant that I know that really likes these, there's rose bushes. So anyway, I just figured I'd do a little quick update to let you know what I'm doing. And whenever I make eggs, I'm going to save the eggshells as well. And put those in my garden. I'll crush them up first and then sprinkle them around too. So, just a little video to let you know that I've got the composting bug in me, and I'm going to start doing that a little bit more. Talk to you later.